Guess what we're doing today? Working on the 5x10 teardrop. Okay, so you can tell that I've already got the deck flipped over. Get the bottom set down, upside up. And this is going to be on the side piece. Now we're going to be on my other side piece. And so since it's 10 feet and 2 inches long, the trailer is, I made this 10 feet, 1.5 inches long. So it gives me 1/4 inch on either end to scoot it around. And this is a standard size 8-foot piece of plywood here, like 3/4 inch, and this is 25.5 inches long this way, and of course it's standard 4 feet that way. And first thing I did is I matched them up real well and drew a bunch of lines so I know where to cut my biscuits. And I have number 10 biscuits. And make sure you got your biscuit cutter set for number 10 biscuit. See the blade come out? So when you match up this line right here, the line I drew here, turn it on, push it in. Just plunge it in. Do each one of your marks on this piece and each one of the marks on this piece. This is my first time using a biscuit cutter. I'm a little bit worried about it not fitting well. Apprehensive because I've never used one before. So I took all my little biscuit pieces and took some sandpaper and sanded off just a little bit. And then next thing I want to do, I don't want to get any glue on my deck because I don't know if I'm just going to polyurethane it or put flooring down over it. I'm going to lay down some paper in case it gets a glue drop. You can see I got a little warp in there. Not a big deal. Next thing I want to do before I put my biscuits in, just a minute, I know I have those here. Oh, there they are. See, I thought I had everything laid out so it would go smoother. It's still going smoothly. I just have to punt for a few things. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to screw those on there so that I can use my clamp support together because I don't have a 10-foot clamp. Let's start with those. Let's start with these pieces of wood here first. It would be good if I had, there we go. I think it's something to kind of measure it off so they're square. And if I work this out just right, I have my trailer by the door, and I should cut my hole out right here, taking most of that seam with the door. Instead of putting the seam in the back, we can see a big seam. Because if this one turns out well, it's gonna be a woody. This is maple. This was nothing more than just a guide. I didn't think about that a while ago. So now what I want to do is make sure I don't have to wait on myself too long for this. Set this down. Knocking some stuff down already. Feel some cold air on my back. Cold air on my back. I didn't think about how I was going to put glue on this piece, but that's good. I didn't think about that, but let's just do it this way. The old-fashioned way. Lack of cooperation, huh? Try to get that biscuit in there straight. if you ever thought about using biscuits, this will let you know how difficult it is. So far, it's going okay. This is my first time doing it, like I said. Let's see. Hopefully I get lucky today. I had to go play in traffic for about 2 hours to get that biscuit cutter. Harbor Freight was, the one close by me was out. If I beat that too hard, it might whirl up the biscuit. Hopefully not. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, I can't believe it. I missed one. Looks like it wasn't 15. I got my measurements backwards, but I didn't. I missed one. Piece of wood. Loosen that up just a little bit. Pretty close. Do that, huh? Yeah, this biscuit business is, I'm sure it's great. Man, it's a little bit of work. I would suggest putting some money down on some big clamps. You know, let's squeeze the glue out. Yeah, y'all do have a pretty good view of that. I would say if the glue's squeezing out right along here, we're probably in very good shape. So, next thing I got to do is make my radius on the back, and then have my, I'm going to do this one like a 5x8 modified bend, where I drop the front down just a little bit, so it gives me nearly 4 foot of straight up space right here on to, you know, put my air conditioner up here, and if I want to put a big box, at least it'll open up against it, because the last one was curved like this, so if you put a box here, you couldn't open the lid up very far. You scoop the box further out, and it doesn't look right. But so that's the way I'm going with that. All right. Anybody got any advice or helpful information for when I do the next one? That'd be good. Leave it in the comment section, and I'll definitely try it. Because as you can see, I struggle with it a little bit, but I would say it's not too bad. You know, these are a last minute thought here, I guess. So, okay, see y'all on the next one. 5x10 Teardrop Camper. No galley, more space inside.